Non-recourse loans exposed, debunking broker myths and scams you need to know. You're an entrepreneur looking for $15 million, $2 million, or even $45 million in project funding, but your biggest challenge is that many banks you approach simply don't want to lend to you. You're tired of talking to investors who don't seem qualified, and you're frustrated with joker brokers who claim they can get you a non-recourse loan, money you supposedly don't have to pay back, using complex purchasing structures or credit instruments like SBLCs. You might wonder, if my bank doesn't offer non-recourse loans, how is this possible? In this video, I'm going to debunk these myths and explain how you can secure a legitimate limited recourse loan. You'll need to watch this to understand the real opportunities. What are non-recourse loans? Sometimes, clients come to us struggling to find project financing. Traditional banks and investors may reject them, leaving these entrepreneurs to turn to alternative funding options. Here, they may encounter the so-called joker broker, someone who uses terms like non-recourse loan but lacks real banking experience. Common scams in non-recourse lending. These joker brokers often promise clients millions of dollars they allegedly won't have to pay back. In reality, banks offer something called limited recourse loans, but joker brokers refer to them as non-recourse loans. The correct term is limited recourse. However, many brokers continue to misuse the term non-recourse. If you're networking with bank CEOs or attending finance events, never ask about a non-recourse loan. Instead, ask about a limited recourse loan. How to get a real non-recourse loan. When people deposit large sums into retail banks, those banks treat the funds as non-sticky money, meaning the money is accessible on demand. In private banking, however, clients deposit substantial sums, such as $50 million, and may not need immediate access. This is considered sticky money because it stays with the bank longer, allowing the bank to make substantial profits. So, if you're a high net worth individual depositing millions into a bank, the bank can leverage that money to provide you with financing options not typically available to retail clients. This is where limited recourse loans come into play. Spotting fake brokers. If you're an accredited investor, working with a reputable private bank is essential. A legitimate banker won't promise you a non-recourse loan if you don't qualify. Always do your due diligence, and don't trust brokers who make promises that sound too good to be true.